What is going on, guys? We're out here on a nice sunny afternoon and we're trying to catch whatever is in this lake. Tied on today, we got none other than the 2-inch Googan Snacky swimmer in the electric chicken color. We're gonna make something happen. Let's go. Oh! Oh, second cast. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Second cast, we got a decent sized largemouth. That's what I'm talking about. Jesus Christ. Send her off. Oh, hooked up again. What is it? Another bass. Woo! A little bit smaller this time. Oh. I'd say it's been a pretty solid day of fishing so far. We're gonna put this guy back. Do flip.